Sa darating pong eleksyon, our brothers and sisters, for the future of our children, please help us make Kiko win. Because he has so many plans to uplift our farmers and fisher folk. Marami po na nasa Mindanao din. There are few men who are as decent as my husband, as true to his word, and committed to his job. Kahit po binabash left and right, marami pong fake news, tinitiis niya when nag-a-apply lang naman siyang magsilbi ng tapat. Wala pong bahid ng kahit anong iskandalo, kahit anong klaseng paninirang gawin nila. Matapat po. Pag nangako, never po napapako.